Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I will show you how to upgrade the POE firmware or EX2300 switch. So the question is why we need to upgrade the firmware, and the reason is because this particular upgrade can support new POE standards. Or basically increase the maximum power output per port, and also to fix some vulnerabilities on the software OS. In some platform, you require a separate file from the Junos OS. In this case, let me show you what is the firmware version. Show uh, chassis firmware detail. So basically, this is the POE firmware, but as you execute show POE controller, you will notice right there that the operating system recommend an upgrade. So let's execute this upgrade, and after that, we are just basically showing the new firmware version. Let's copy this. Request system firmware upgrade POE FPC slot. So how do you get the FPC? Show chassis FPC, pick status. So right there, that's the FPC. So let's just paste this command right here, paste slot 0 and enter. This will take maybe a few minutes. You can execute show POE controller to see the process. For example, let's check again. Still is something going on in there. Look at that. Is erasing the old firmware version. So let's wait until this process is complete, and after that we are just checking if the firmware is different. So just let's wait until this process is complete. So one very important thing is, while you are executing the upgrade, the POE on the ports, the POE features on the port is not working. So be careful with that. So I recommend execute recommend to be performed during a maintenance, because this will shut down the POE or the power on the Ethernet port. So be careful with that. So let's go and running. So it should be done, the process. So let's double check if the process, the POE upgrade is complete. So the process should be complete. Let's double check. Show POE controller. Okay, let's double check the new firmware version. Show chassis firmware detail, and that's the new POE firmware. In some platform, like I've said, the firmware is a different file. So in this particular model, I believe everything is on the same Junos OS, but you need to execute the request firmware upgrade on the FPC slot 0. So let's double check. The previous version of that was 1.6, I guess. Yeah, there we go, right there. So that will be everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Appreciate it.